Hi guys, this is one of the best sandwich I can say I've had or I've made so far. So let me show you how to make this easy egg mayo sandwich recipe. So first you get your boiled egg, you peel the shell from the egg, and then you are going to mash the egg. Like you mash it until it is completely smooth. If you can't get it to be completely smooth, no problem. Just make sure you mash it till it is almost in a powder form. So after that, you get your bread. So as you can see, I've already removed the sides of my bread. So you're going to remove the sides of your bread. For this sandwich, we don't need fire, we don't need gas, we don't need cooker, we don't need anything fire. Everything is just going to be done here and now. So I'm not using gas pot or anything. This is all I am using. With other things I'll be showing you later. So after mashing your egg till it's completely mashed, and after removing the sides of your bread, all you need to do is to get your white vinegar, you get your salt, you get your sugar, and you get your mayonnaise. So you add mayonnaise to your egg, your mashed eggs, add mayonnaise to it, and make sure to mix and mix very well. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Then now you add salt and you add vinegar. So this is white vinegar I'm adding, just a little. You add little white vinegar to it, and then you add your salt to it, and make sure to mix very well. So the last thing we'll be adding to this is our sugar. So you're going to add just little sugar to it also, and then you mix, and then your paste is actually ready. Let us know if you've tried this egg mayo recipe before, or if you would love to try it. And also let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from, so we can make a shout out to you. So this is sugar I'm adding to it now, and I'm going to mix it all and mix it well. Have you seen other sandwich recipes we posted on our channel? We have lots and lots and lots of sandwich recipe. I love sandwich actually. So we have lots and lots and lots of sandwich recipes on our channel, so feel free to check them out and let us know which one you like, or let us know which one you would want to see that is not there. We would make sure to make it and post it. So this is mayonnaise I added to the bread, and I'm just going to spread the mayonnaise on the bread. So you can use as many bread as you want, but because this is a video and I don't want the video to be too long, I'm using just this. But you can use as many bread as you want. So this paste I made now would serve me for like 2 breads, that's 2 sandwiches. But if you want to make more than that, that means you need to increase your egg. If not, then fine, you can make do with this. You can just do 2 eggs. So after spreading your mayonnaise on your bread, now you would go in with your egg. Make sure to spread your egg on the bread too, and make sure to spread well, like spread every corner, every side. Make sure to spread well. After that, you can get your tomato ketchup, which is actually very optional. It's not a must you use tomato ketchup. You can just do it like this. You cover, you cut, and you start eating straight away. Or you can decide to add maybe small chocolate or small ketchup to it, I don't know, to make it sweeter if you want, I don't know. So you can either do it like this or you can do it like that. So yeah, I added just small tomato ketchup on the other side of the bread, or should I say on the bread cover, any of the above. So just small, and then that's it. That is it. Your egg mayo sandwich is super ready. Like guys, this is delicious. When I tell you something is delicious, trust me. Like, hey, oh my goodness. And as you can see, no stress, no fire needed, no onion of gas, no getting pots, no frying anything, and all of the above. It is just this is soft and sweet, and oh my goodness, you can see how beautiful it looks. Like, it looks very, very beautiful. So I wanted the middle to be super yellow, but my yolk wasn't yellow enough. My yolk was somehow white, so that was why I got this color. If your yolk is super yellow, trust me, the middle will be shiny, like super yellow. So I hope you've gotten to this part of the video. If you have, thank you. I so much love and appreciate you. Have an amazing day. Bye. See you on the next video.